country is going to hell because we are led by a person who doesn't know how to be a president and who is a liar. Alam nyo kung anong pruweba ko na nagsinungaling siya? Nagtanong ako ng 2 businessman na matagal na sa negosyo ng bigas because I was concerned. This is a campaign promise na 20 pesos na kilo ng bigas. And I really sat down and talked to a businessman. Sabi ko, sabihin mo sa akin, may magagawa ba yung 20 pesos? Sabi niya, hindi. Napaka-imposibleng gawin because more than 20 pesos ang cost. So paano ka magtinda ng palugit? So nagtanong ako, nagsinungaling ba siya nung sinabi niya? And he said outright, yes. It's either he didn't know what he was talking about, that's so incompetent, or he was lying through his teeth to get the vote of people.